So this is the day 4 of creating a channel using AI. The name of the channel is Prime Movie Stock. So I will include the link in the description so you can check it out. And now I have uploaded the video of day 1 and day 2 where I get a copyright claim. And I also uploaded the video that how to remove it, so you can check that out later. Let's get started with this one. So now I'm already at the 99 YouTube shorts within 3 days. You can check out all of this. So let me take you to the YouTube studio so you can check out live whatever the views, subscribers, watch hours I'm gaining the 3 days, 99 videos. Let's go to there. So this is the dashboard. As you can see over here at the new achievement, I have reached 50 hours of watch time 4 days ago, also 10,000 views, and after that I gained the subscriber, 23 subscriber within 3 days, around 20,000 views. Then these are the top videos. These are the top videos which gain like more than 1k or 2k views. And this is the live countdown. You can check over here, 23 subscribers, and in last 48 hours I received 9,462 views. Now I want to talk about the spikes. Where I got the spikes means over here it like 1,285, 593 and 995. So in this video I'm gonna specifically talk about that does the timing and the day, like weekdays and weekend, affect your video or not. And as you can see over here, last 60 minutes is just 78 and it counting live. So I'll show this later to you. Okay, so first of all, let's see the timing. Does the timing matter? So for that, let me just go to the audience, and as you can see over here, the most of the audience is from UK, USA, India, Canada and Germany. And now as I figure out that, so now I'm gonna show you the last 7 days, and from the day wise, this one, which is the, I think this is the day 2 of uploading it, which gained like 12,926. This is 2nd March, and this is the weekend time, like Friday, Saturday and Sunday. It is gaining the constant growth, like 4,241, 4,488, in which means in total it has like almost 10,000 something. So yes, the timing and the day matters because of its like entertainment and comedy. People would like to see it at the weekend time, like time pass and stuff. So for the content which are like comedy or entertainment, weekend is the best timing for that. Also this one, I got a spike on this one around 12,000, which I uploaded at the 1st March 2023, and it was around 1 o'clock. So maybe it was because of the break time. I have used a few different kind of tags and stuff, which I'm gonna make a video like which tag are trending at the moment, and you can use it so you can generate more views like this. So this is all the information about day 4. I got 22,717 views, and I'll just keep making the video until day 30, and let's see how many views, subscribers and watch time hours I can get at that time. And thank you very much for staying till the end of the video, and check out the video of day 1 and day 2 as well. If you want to ask anything, or if you would like to make some other experience like making another channel using AI and you want me to do that, then I'm happy to do it. You just comment below, and thank you very much for staying to the end. Hope you like the video and subscribe for more.